Gusto mo bang mag-travel abroad pero di ka sure kung kumpleto na requirements mo? Don't worry. Halos pare-pareho lang ang basic visa requirements kahit anong bansa. Una, valid passport. Dapat valid pa ng at least 6 na buwan at may 2 blankong pahina. Then, visa application form. Fully filled out at may pirma. Next, passport size photos. Usually white background. Kailangan mo rin ng proof of travel tulad ng flight reservation, hotel booking, at kung meron, simple itinerary. Para sa financial proof, pwede ang bank statements, certificate of employment or business permit, payslips, ITR, o sponsorship letter. Travel insurance is required sa maraming bansa, lalo na Schengen, with at least €30,000 coverage. At syempre, proof of ties, para ipakitang babalik ka, like work, business, property, or family. Tip, ay organize lahat para smooth ang process sa embassy or VFS. Need help? WT2B can guide you step by step. Visit www.wt2btravels.com or message us on socials.